In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Joma Jewellery discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Joma Jewellery discount promo code. Here, go to this website which is called Hot UK Deals, and as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, right here that you want to get this one with 10% discount of your first order. Select the button where it says see deal, and for this one there is no code required. So you can simply select the button where it says go to shop, and after that you'll be redirected to the website and the discount will be applied automatically. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website which is called Coupon Follow, and right here we have a list with other promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say that you want to get this one right here with a 25% discount of your order, $25, sorry. All you need to do is just select the button where it says show coupon code, and this is the promo code right here that you can easily copy from this button, and you can apply the promo code so that you can get the $25 discount of your next order. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.